The Houseful 5 team, including Akshay Kumar, Nana Patekar, Jacqueline Fernandez, Sonam Bajwa, Nargis Fakhri, Saundarya Sharma, and Fardeen Khan, recently headed to Pune to promote their upcoming film. What was intended to be an exciting fan event quickly turned into a chaotic scene that had everyone on edge. As soon as the stars hit the stage, the crowd went wild, causing a stampede-like situation inside the mall. Fans packed not only the event area but also the higher floors and corridors of the mall, creating a tense environment. The excitement quickly spiraled out of control, with many fans visibly overwhelmed. In one heart-wrenching moment, a young girl got separated from her parents and began to break down in front of the stage, adding to the chaos. During this emotional scene, Jacqueline Fernandez stepped in to console the little girl. The actress comforted the crying fan, reassuring her that she would be reunited with her parents soon. Jacqueline was soon joined by her co-stars Nargis Fakhri and Saundarya Sharma, who also comforted the young fan, calming her down in the middle of the chaos. However, the situation was far from over. Akshay Kumar, known for his calm demeanor in tense situations, took the mic and addressed the crowd, urging them to settle down. The team managed to wrap up the event on time. Fans, however, were left even more excited for the film's release, eagerly awaiting what's next. Houseful 5 is all set to hit theaters on 6 June 2025, promising even more laughter, madness, and fun with Akshay, Nana, Jacqueline, and the rest of the star-studded cast.
वेल बॉलीवुड के मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट जल्दी नजर आने वाले हैं फिल्म सितारे ज़मीं पर में। तो वहीं हाल फिलहाल में आमिर खान की लव लाइफ की भी बॉलीवुड में खूब चर्चा है। वेल आमिर खान इज डेटिंग गौरी स्प्रैट और आमिर खान हाल ही में नजर आए एक पॉडकास्ट में जिसमें उन्होंने अपने रिश्ते पर की खुलकर बात। Well, actor Amir Khan opened up on his bond with his partner Gauri Spratt, and he recalled meeting her unexpectedly as he had not expected to find love again at this age. Well, आमिर खान को इस उम्र में प्यार मिलने की बिल्कुल उम्मीद नहीं थी और आमिर ने ये भी एडमिट किया कि वो दरअसल प्यार में पड़ने के इरादे को ही गिव अप कर चुके थे। Well, आमिर खान ने ये भी कहा कि उन्हें लगा कि अब उनकी एज हो गई है और अब तो बिल्कुल इम्पॉसिबल है टू फाइंड अ पार्टनर। Well, आमिर खान ने इस पॉडकास्ट में कहा कि बिफोर मीटिंग गौरी he underwent therapy sessions and was focusing on self-love. Amir, while reflecting on his emotional journey, said, "Before I met Gauri, I felt like I had aged and who will I find in this age? Also, my therapy started and I understood that I need to love myself first and to make myself healthy. So I worked on that. I had two very strong, deep relationships with Kiran and Reena and we are close till date and we still respect each other. I never thought I would meet anyone with whom I can bond this way." Well, गौरी के साथ अपनी मीटिंग को याद करते हुए आमिर ने कहा कि वो उनसे थ्रू कॉमन फ्रेंड्स मिले. He further said, "Gauri and I met by mistake and we connected and we became friends and love happened. I thought I have my mother, kids, siblings. I have so many close relationships that I don't need a partner. Kiran, Reena and I still work together for the Pani Foundation and we sit and talk every day. And there is a genuine love and warmth between us as a family and we will always be family. We might not be husband and wife but we will always be family. They will always be an unshaken part of my family and life." Well, आपको बता दें कि आमिर ने अपने 60th बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन के दौरान ही अपना रिलेशनशिप विद गौरी स्प्रैट को कंफर्म किया था और तो और तब ऐसी भी खबरें थी कि आमिर खान ने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड गौरी को अपने फ्रेंड सलमान खान और शाहरुख खान से भी मिलाया था। Well, जो भी हो, लगता है कि आमिर खान गौरी के साथ अपने रिश्ते से हैं काफी खुश। वेल होम बाउंड के सिनेमाटोग्राफर प्रतीक शाह की मुसीबतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं। प्रतीक शाह को सेक्सुअल मिसकॉन्डक्ट के एलिगेशंस के चक्कर में शायद कर दिया गया है ड्रॉप फ्रॉम सौरव गांगुलीज बायोपिक। वेल सौरव गांगुली की बायोपिक इज इन ट्रबल। Well, reports की माने तो the makers are likely to discontinue their association with Prateek Shah, who had been preparing for the project and was recently on a location scout as well. Well, दरअसल सौरव गांगुली की बायोपिक को डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने, जिन्होंने प्रतीक शाह के साथ पहले अनन्या पांडे स्टारर कंट्रोल और OTT सीरीज जुबली पर किया है कोलैबोरेट। well, खबरों की माने तो राजकुमार राव सौरव गांगुली की बायोपिक में नजर आने वाले हैं। Well, एक source की माने तो the recce was on till recently and Shah was in London for the same. Allegations against him surfaced just around the time he returned to India. The makers are likely to drop him from the project and will now naturally look for a replacement before beginning production. तो वहीं प्रतीक शाह तब लाइमलाइट में आए when filmmaker Abhinav Singh accused him of being highly manipulative and emotionally abusive based on testimony of multiple women. प्रतीक शाह है होम बाउंड के सिनेमाटोग्राफर और ये वो फिल्म है जिसकी दरअसल कैन्स में भी हुई थी स्क्रीनिंग। तो वहीं होम बाउंड के प्रोड्यूसर्स ने कहा कि दरअसल होम बाउंड पे प्रतीक शाह एक फ्रीलांसर एंड द इंटरनल कमिटी ऑफ पॉश डिड नॉट रिसीव एनी कंप्लेंट्स अगेंस्ट हिम फ्रॉम एनी कास्ट और क्रू ऑफ होम बाउंड। तो वहीं प्रतीक शाह होम बाउंड की स्क्रीनिंग के लिए कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल भी गए थे विद द होम बाउंड टीम और वहीं पर थर्सडे इवनिंग से उन्होंने अपना अकाउंट इन्हीं एलिगेशंस के चलते हुए शायद डीएक्टिवेट भी कर दिया है। प्रतीक शाह 4 साल पहले भी आए थे अंडर स्क्रूटिनी व्हेन अ यंग सिनेमाटोग्राफर हैड रीच्ड आउट टू अ सीनियर मेंबर ऑफ द इंडियन वुमेन सिनेमाटोग्राफीज कलेक्टिव IECC एंड कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट हिम आफ्टर ही सॉलिसिटेड अ न्यूड पिक्चर। अभी तक प्रतीक शाह ने कोई भी ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है, लेकिन हाँ इन्हीं एलिगेशंस के चलते हुए शायद फिल्म मेकर सौरव गांगुली की बायोपिक से प्रतीक शाह को करना चाहते हैं ड्रॉप।
IPL season is nearing its end, and for true fans of the Dimple Girl, it's not just cricket season, it's Preeti Zinta season. And right now, we're all living in it. In a thrilling second qualifier match of IPL 2025, Punjab Kings pulled off an incredible victory, defeating Mumbai Indians by 5 wickets. And when PBKS clinched the win, no one was more excited than the ever-joyful Preeti Zinta. As Shreyas Iyer hit the winning six, Preeti jumped from her seat, showing her true spirit. IPL shared a video of her unfiltered celebration, and let's just say, the internet went wild. A netizen summed it up perfectly: Punjab clinched the win, and Preeti Zinta's joy was the perfect finishing touch. Always a delight to see her celebrate her team's success with such heart. But wait, it's not just Preeti on this journey. The ever-energetic RJ Mahavash has been right there alongside her, celebrating every key moment. And when Yuzvendra Chahal took Suryakumar Yadav's wicket, their joy was truly contagious. Their epic celebration went viral, leaving fans in a frenzy. Can you feel the love and warmth in that moment? And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. PBKS has made it to the IPL 2025 final. A massive win over Mumbai Indians has secured them a spot to face Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Remember when RJ Mahavash predicted an RCB versus PBKS final? Well, looks like she called it. After PBKS victory, Mahavash re-shared her post saying, "Prediction bolte. Well played Punjab, more to go." And here's a fun twist. PBK's very own Apar Shakti Khurrana is not just a huge cricket fan but also confessed he's a fan of Mumbai Indians. In a recent post, he shared his love for the game and showered praises on Shreyas Iyer, saying he truly deserves a spot in the Indian cricket team. Apar Shakti has always believed PBKS should face RCB in the final, and now, with both teams set to clash in IPL 2025's grand final, his dream is about to come true. So, get ready for the final showdown, Punjab Kings vs Royal Challengers Bengaluru. It's going to be a thrilling match, and with Preethi's infectious energy, who knows what'll happen next? It's Preeti Zinta's IPL season, and we're all just lucky to be a part of it. Bring on the final.